Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're kind of I'm gonna show you how I would do my plug and play taillights. Um Basically you can apply anything to a taillight, just follow the corresponding wires and then just plug it in. It makes it more easier and friendly to install. Some people are not really that kind of electrically inclined, so I'm going to show you guys how I can do that. Let's go ahead and take a closer look on these taillights though. Alright guys, so here is the socket for or sockets for the taillights on the 1996 through 2000 Honda Civic Coupes. As you can see, we got two sockets here with bulbs, and then we got this one connector. So here is our first connector. As you can see, it's a dual filament bulb. It has 3 wires, that's why I know it is. Here it is, here's the bulb, that's the socket, and here is the wires. Now, it's pretty common sense to think that, black is negative, which it is, so we're just going to move that in the back. Here is the green and white one, and here is the red and black one. So these two wiring, it's pretty simple to figure out. The best way to figure out this is what does what. So one wire would be specifically for when you put on your headlight switch. So the easiest way to figure that out is to use a test light, something like this. You can buy this off anywhere, but they have all kinds of designs. This one has like a little plug, DC plug here, and then the other end would be here. Plug it in. You can either plug it in onto this ground here, since we already know it's a ground or a negative, or you can plug it into like this metal thing on this clipboard or something, right? Or on the chassis, right? And then next would be to kind of splice a little bit of the wire here, and then when you apply that brake light, or when you apply that headlight switch, one of these wires will illuminate, and then it will actually illuminate exactly how you would see it on this test light. So let's say it would be a turn signal. This would be blinking. Let's say it's a hazard. This one would be blinking as well. Brake light as well, and etc. So that's a quick way to identify which wire does what. I already know which one does what. If you guys read this, it actually said, as you can see, black is ground, red and black is brake light, and your green and white is your 12-volt constant. So that would be it for this. This is a dual filament bulb housing as well, if you guys haven't noticed. And then we move on to here. This is clearly the only one we're missing, is the turn signal. So that's process of elimination. You can already tell by the color of the lens of the bulb. Yeah, this one has a green and yellow wire as well, and a ground again. Supposedly this would be a turn signal, and the rest would be running and brake light. All that would go into this little connector here, where you would have all the wires all in unison and able to just plug it in. So that's how it makes it plug and play. That's the easiest way to do it. So yeah, let me go ahead and solder those onto the taillights, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. So we just got it done. Here's all the wires going through the taillight, and it's going through, simply it's just connecting through the existing wiring on the sockets already. But I did not disconnect the sockets, so sometimes they freak out and be like, oh, something's wrong with the taillight. So I just kept it on anyways. So we got it all soldered on. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna test it first, and we're gonna go ahead and electrical tape it and call it a day. I just use regular electrical tape here, just, you know, regular stuff. And here's the good stuff that I've recently found out. It's kind of like this grip tape, but it's like clothy, you know. But this is mainly used on engine management for wiring. I'm gonna move on to like maybe loom or something, but this is a pretty good. It looks OEM. It looks really good. It packs it nice together instead of this rat nest kind of going on. So you'll guys see this when I do wrap it up. So let's go ahead and get it all together and test it for you guys. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and test that out using our battery thing. I still want to get like a good tester. I don't know what to call it. I think that's dark enough. Let's go ahead and test it. So I'm connecting the ground. I don't know what wire. Here is the running positive. So there you go. The light bulb is actually illuminating, so can't do it for long, but that is the running light, works perfectly fine. You guys get to see a little bit of the design I went with, but brake light, as you can see. Alright. Okay. There you go. So, yeah, I'm gonna try disconnecting the wires or the plugs and see how that looks. Alright guys, so that's what it would look like with all the, I just put it to all the LEDs showing, so that's how it would look like. So we do have the running light here with the silhouettes, like I said, and then we got the brake light, and the turn signal is all the way in the bottom. So yeah, that's the look. It looks pretty tight actually. But yeah, that's how you make your taillights plug and play. Anyways guys, that's how I would make my taillights work with your application. Basically just doing that technique, it's really helpful, especially if people don't know how to do all that wiring stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna update you guys on when I'm done with these. I still have the EK ones still available. If anyone wants to go ahead and support me, go ahead and click the link. I'll probably have something in the description below. Catch you guys later. Peace.